QSTOMIZE, a subsidiary of Renault Group, has almost 40 years of unique expertise dedicated to transforming vehicles of the group's brands and partner brand vehicles. From our headquarters in Erdeberville, our engineers constantly innovate to meet the needs of each customer. This engagement is carried out by our 330 employees who work from our 13 production sites located in Renault Group factories. We provide solutions for key accounts, rental companies and small business owners. Our expertise also extends to transformations for corporate fleets and driving schools, including the needs of retail customers. QSTOMIZE also design vehicles customized to meet the needs of people with limited mobility. Each year, we deliver over 300,000 customized conversions in compliance with the group's quality standards. Benefit from an expert contact and a controlled logistics process, guaranteeing transformation in 48 hours maximum after vehicle manufacturing. QSTOMIZE delivers a unique, simple customer experience from order to delivery. QSTOMIZE, providing customized automotive solutions to everyone.